Thank you, Vilros, for sending this item to check out. And we're looking at the Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. And I wanted to talk about the power supply. So while the included power supply, which is a 5 volt 2.5 amp power supply, which is about 12.5 watts, when I tried to run the Wi-Fi, I started having blinking problems. The screen would just go off and turn back on. It just kept blinking, and it was hard to do anything with the Raspberry Pi. So once I turned off the Wi-Fi signal, then it stopped blinking. It went back to normal operations. So I would recommend upgrading the power supply if you're gonna want to run like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi signals to your Raspberry Pi Zero 2W.